Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to talk about the four kind of animal tissue. Okay, so first one is epithelial, second one is connective tissue, third one is muscular tissue, and the last and the fourth number is nervous tissue. So there are four kind of the tissue present in the animal tissue. In the human being, we are human being. You know very well about it. Human will have the epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous tissue. All the four kind of tissues present in our body. Okay. So epithelial tissue. Tissue. What is epithelial tissue? What epithelial tissue is normally another name is covering tissue. Covering tissue, because the epithelial is just cover anything. Okay, so body is covered by skin. Okay, our puri our whole body is covered by a skin tissue. Okay, so skin, what is skin? Skin is covering tissue, and covering tissue is called epithelial. So directly we can say the skin is made up of the epithelial tissue. And then many kind of glands and organs are also covered by the epithelial tissue. So epithelial tissue normally we can say the covering tissue in our body. Now the second term, connective tissue. What is connective tissue? Connective, you can say connection between the two things and multiple things. So the connective tissue is representing the connection between the whole body. Okay, so bones are the connective tissue. Bone can connect and then form a skeletal system of our body, by which we can shape our size. Okay, without, you can imagine, without skeletal system we cannot in the size perfect. So we don't have any kind of perfect size. Our mouth, our skull, our hands bones, our leg bones, there are many kind of bones present in our body. uh, by these kind of bones we can achieve, we can make our body. Okay, so the supporting and the connective things are connective tissue. Okay, the third number of the muscular tissue is called muscles. You know very well about it, muscles. If our hand move, so how the hands can be moved? The movement of hand is dependent on the muscles, voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. There are two kind of muscles present in our body. Voluntary muscles, it means the muscles which is directly connected to our our thinking. If we want to move like this, we can move our hand like this. But if we want to move our heart, so we cannot move our heart. Why? Because the voluntary muscles is called this kind of muscles. The muscles can be moved as I want, as we want. Okay, so the muscles can be move the things, move the body. To locomote, the movement muscles is very important. And the last one is nervous tissue. What is nervous tissue? Nervous tissue just signals. Okay, the transferring signals from the stimuli from the receptor organ to the brain, or we can say spinal cord. Here I'm going to tell you that the stimuli, it means a signal is generating and transfer from the receptor to the brain or the spinal cord. So which kind of things, which kind of threads are involved in this kind of process? So the nerve cells are present here, and our brain is also made up of the nervous tissue. The nervous tissue can be save many kind of memories, and nervous tissue can share the signals from the receptor organ to the brain. If somebody uh, want to beat you, and just he is slapping you, so the nervous tissue is just signaling from your cheek to the brain. Okay, if you are watching any kind of things which is really horrible, so this kind of signals, okay, create from the eyes and the receptor organ, so the signals can transfer from the eyes and to the brain. So this is nervous tissue. Okay, so this kind of tissues are present in our body. We will be discuss this further one by one: epithelial, connective, muscular and nervous tissue. Okay, in this video that's it all about it. Okay.